Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy watching and want more, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple, helpful, and easy to understand. Let's jump in.
Resetting your EVPAD 3S can fix many common software issues. It restores your device to its original factory settings. This process clears out old data and removes bugs. You might need to do this if your box is running slow. It also helps if apps keep crashing. First, turn on your EVPAD 3S and go to the home screen. Use your remote to select the settings icon. It looks like a small gear. Inside the settings menu, look for the system option. Click on it to see more choices. Now, find the section labeled Backup and Reset. Select Factory Data Reset from the list. The system will warn you about losing your data. This includes your accounts and downloaded apps. Make sure you back up anything important first. Click on Erase Everything to start the process. Your device will shut down and restart automatically. This may take a few minutes to complete. Do not unplug the power during this time. If your screen is frozen, you can use the hard reset method. Look for the small reset hole on the back or side of the box. Use a paperclip to press the button inside. Hold it for 10 seconds while plugging in the power cord. A menu will appear on your screen. Use your remote to select Wipe Data or Factory Reset. Confirm your choice and wait for the reboot. Your EVPAD 3S is now fresh and ready for setup. You will need to reconnect to Wi-Fi and log in again. This simple fix solves most performance problems quickly. You can do this yourself at home easily.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.